In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile nickname. Adding a nickname is essential for ease of identification on your Facebook platform. And if you want to create a nickname on your Facebook platform, it's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Continue to click on Settings. Under this interface, proceed to tap on Meta Account Center. Then you have the options to tap on Profile. Continue to tap on it. In my case, I have a list of profiles that I currently operate. Since I want to create a nickname associated with Mubarick Mohammed, I'll proceed to tap on this account. So this will land me on an interface like this. I'll continue to tap on Name. So I have the option to enter my first name, middle name, and surname. In this case, I'm interested in adding a nickname. So I'll proceed to tap on Manage Other Names. So this has landed me on an interface like this where I have name type. So when I tap into this box, a menu will drop. I have the option to pick nickname, maiden name, alternative spellings, married name, and so many other options. In this case, I'm interested in maintaining the nickname. So I'll proceed to enter the nickname in this box. In my case, it's Bawa, B-A-W-A. After typing it, I have the option to show at top of profile. So if I want it to be like this, I'll proceed to toggle this on. So this is the preview. So my official name is Mubarick Mohammed. In case those that know me by this name, they will also see it attached with my official name. It's pretty simple and easy. After that, I'll proceed to tap on Save. Allow it a moment to finish loading. So in order to see how it looks, I'll just navigate back to my profile. So this is how it looks, Mubarick Mohammed, and you see the nickname attached to it. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.